So if you found this video because you're searching for a working and fast method for free Instagram followers, you are definitely going to want to pay attention to this tutorial, guys. I was searching for a method on getting free followers on Instagram, and I was almost going to purchase some followers, but I've managed to find a method, guys, to get you free Instagram followers, and this is super easy and fast, and you can also get likes on all of your photos. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. And by the way, these are real followers, they're not bots or fake accounts. So you need to basically use a mobile phone, of course, and open up the internet and go to the following website: www.robotcoupons.com. So very important you go to Robot Coupons. Now, this is basically a website providing us resources for tons of different things. They have game codes, they have discount codes and promo codes. You just need to look for the Instagram followers page. So I'm going to go to the search bar here at the top of the screen and go to Instagram, and it should say here, free Instagram followers and likes. So you can actually get 5,000 free genuine Instagram followers. These are real accounts, guys, and there's tons of followers left for you guys to get. So go ahead and tap on get followers. Now you're going to see this screen here, guys, and you need to basically put in your Instagram username. Okay, and then press continue. And now it's going to ask you how many followers you want. So I'm going to go for the maximum, which is 5,000 followers. How many likes? I'm going to go for 500 likes. This basically will give you likes, real likes, on all of your photos, so every single one. And then you're going to tap this button here. And now basically, guys, are going to do basically look for your username, connect to it, and deliver the followers and likes. Takes a few seconds. So be patient here, guys. And it says, okay, error, bot-like behavior to complete the verifications to complete the changes and receive your followers and likes. So basically, guys, what you're going to need to do is tap on the button here. And you're going to now see this screen that says basically Instagram verification. So all you need to do, guys, is complete the instructions on this screen. I'm not going to bother doing it. I've got enough followers, but you can see you need to complete 2 tasks, and they can be like answering questions in surveys or downloading mobile games and playing them until certain levels. But yeah, once you've done that, guys, you will receive your 5,000 followers into your account and also likes on your photos and videos. And that is the easiest method, guys, to get free Instagram followers. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Head on over to Robot Coupons and search for the Instagram page, and that is how to get free followers. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.